Hello to all my lovely people. I hope you all doing fantastic and Alhamdulillah I am also doing very well. So guys, आज हम वर्क के हवाले से बात करने वाले हैं as you know that before. So guys, सेंटेंस को आप लोग लाइक कर रहे होंगे और इन सेंटेंस को अपने जर्नल्स में नोट डाउन कर रहे होंगे. सिंपली बहुत ज़्यादा सिंपली फॉर्म में सेंटेंस मैंने बनाए हैं और आई होप आप लोग वीडियोस को लाइक कर रहे होंगे, सब्सक्राइब किया होगा चैनल और अपने प्यारों को लिंक ज़रूर शेयर करें. सो गाइस, स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो को. लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. टुडे द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज व्हाट डू यू थिंक. व्हाट डू यू थिंक. Next sentence we have she thinks deeply. She thinks deeply. The another sentence we have I think it is a good idea. I think it is a good idea. I begin my day with coffee. I begin my day with coffee. The next sentence we have they keep their promises. They keep their promises. The next sentence we have please keep quiet. Please keep quiet. The another sentence we have she keeps in touch. She keeps in touch. The next sentence is I keep my room clean. I keep my room clean. She means to help. She means to help. Next sentence we have I mean no harm. I mean no harm. What does this word mean? What does this word mean? They put effort into their work. They put effort into their work. Please put your phone away. Please put your phone away. Next sentence we have she puts on makeup. She puts on makeup. The next sentence we have I put the book on the table. I put the book on the table. When will you leave? When will you leave? The last sentence we have she leaves the office. She leaves the office. सो गाइस, आई होप आप लोगों ने वीडियो लाइक किया होगा और अपने जर्नल्स में ये सेंटेंस नोट डाउन किए होंगे. Thank you so much for watching this video and kindly keep supporting this channel. Do not forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. Guys, मिलते हैं next video में. तब तक के लिए till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much once again. Have a blessed day.